Wow, there's a lot of water here. Let's trace this out. Oh, I just felt the drip. Oh, here's this. Oh, there's water right there. That's right on the bolt that's holding the tank to the bowl here. Yeah, I felt the drip right here. Oh, I just saw another. Oh, look at that dripping.
Yeah, I can see.
What we got here, we got the toilet bowl and the toilet tank. There's two bolts. Hold that down. There's the bolt that holds the tank to the bowl. That black gasket should be squished a little bit more. Probably just need to tighten down these bolts on this tank.